If you see self-protection failed, error code 4. In an antivirus app like Avast or similar security tools, don't worry. This usually happens when a required service can't start, permissions are blocked, or system files are corrupted. Let's fix it the easy way. First, restart your PC. A full restart often restores blocked security services and clears temporary conflicts. Next, run the antivirus as administrator. Right-click the antivirus shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This allows self-protection services to start with proper permissions. Now, check the antivirus services. Press Windows +R, type services.mscc, and press Enter. Find the antivirus services. For Avast, Avast Antivirus, Avast Firewall. Make sure they are running and set to automatic. Start them if they're stopped. After that, disable conflicting security software. If you have another antivirus or third-party firewall installed, uninstall or disable it. Multiple security tools often conflict and trigger error code 4. Also, repair the antivirus installation. Open Control Panel, Programs, select your antivirus, and choose Repair. This fixes missing or damaged components. If the error continues, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall the antivirus, restart your PC, then download and install the latest version from the official website. Finally, update Windows fully. Missing Windows security updates can prevent self-protection from working correctly. In most cases, repairing or reinstalling the antivirus fixes error code 4 immediately.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.